Hey there, All Things MSP crew. Welcome back to another conversation here at Kaseya Connect. I am here with a longtime sponsor, EasyDMARC. Armen, how you doing today?
Doing fantastic. Having a great time at the show so far.
Yeah, has it been a good show for you so far?
It's been very good. The traffic at the booth's been great. The community is always amazing.
And if I saw right, you guys are a platinum sponsor this year?
We are, and we, it's funny. I asked someone, within our company, how deeply are we working with Kaseya? It's actually quite extensive, and when we think about all the events and touch points that we have over the year with you guys, it's significant.
Yeah, and it's been a number of years since I did my first interview with Mike Anderson at a show, your guys' very first show here in the United States.
U.S. is a big market for us. As you know, we started off in Europe. We have a very strong U.S. presence right now. So yes, this is a very important market.
Awesome. Now, you guys have been, doing DMARC solutions, and you guys have a very technically capable product. But that's not what most MSPs know you for. It's really how willing you are in all the content and the things that you produce to help MSPs grow their business through this really necessity now of having DMARC.
So we have so you're absolutely right, number one, and we have such a deep appreciation for life as an MSP. It's not an easy existence all the time. And yes, we do have a deep technical product heritage. DMARC is a hyper-technical discipline. But what matters most is how we package and introduce that capability to put it into the hands of the MSP community to help them drive their revenue. And that's really what we've put front and center in front of the MSP community.
So for somebody who's not aware, what are some of the things that you've done for the community, for the MSPs to help them grow their business?
I'd say two big things. One, which you alluded to earlier, we are a content publishing powerhouse. Yep. And that's been a very important pillar of just how we do what we do. As an example, we publish an annual trend report looking at all the top sending domains. That content is then packaged in a way that's very MSP friendly for distribution. Just one quick insight out of that. Out of the 1.8 million sending domains worldwide, only half, about 900,000, are fully DMARC compliant. So there's still, even among the top sending domains, tremendous headroom and a long way to go.
Yeah, it seems to me like that's a problem that would have kind of solved itself by now. I'm kind of amazed to find it hasn't.
One would think, right? This DMARC journey has been, many, many years in the making, with a lot of powerful companies getting behind it, yet there is still a journey ahead. It's amazing.
Well, and with so many email addresses being on Microsoft or Google, just those two, and them requiring it, seems like there's a lot of people who are not getting their emails delivered.
Not yet, right? Emails aren't getting delivered. Certainly there's spam issues, and there's the real risk of domain spoofing. So there's a lot of problems that we are on a mission to help solve. The journey is not yet complete, but we're on our way.
Yeah, but I really appreciate, because I've had a chance to actually have hands-on on your product and use it for my domains. And it really has been easy to use, but also I found it as technical as I needed to be without being complex. I guess that's the best way I would describe it.
As is implied with our corporate brand name, right? We wanted to make the capabilities consumable. There is a deep technical foundation underneath the hood, as you know, which leads to the second part of the question you asked, is what have we done for the community? It's just that. We have made accessible this very technical product so that the user experience is tuned for the MSP community, a true multi-tenant one-to-many offering to manage multiple dozens, hundreds of customers underneath the MSP. And on top of that, again, we've created this monetization engine to help MSPs drive their business forward.
Which at the end of the day, the MSP is really trying to do two things, right? They're trying to make money, they're trying to reduce their risk. And this does both.
It certainly does, right? And so DMARC, having visibility in the moment to the risk profile for all the domains that are under your stewardship is essential. We've seen in the headlines over the last 4 years, 5 years, the rise in spoofing, domain spoofing, socially engineered attacks. This is a front and center board level issue. And yes, putting that in the hands in a consumable way, not just to understand, but to act upon, is how we are helping the MSPs really sustain this type of business and drive revenue.
Now, along those lines, you've come out with something new very recently called lead discovery. that's going to help MSPs even more. Can you describe that in a little more detail?
I will, yes. So lead discovery is a new feature, major feature capability in the Touchpoint product. Touchpoint is effectively the lead generation vehicle, the tool that we have built just for MSPs to help them monetize our DMARC services. Lead discovery, imagine you're looking at a geographic map, literally a Google map rendition of your local community, and there's a little dot that's color-coded for every one of the businesses that are in your local community down to the zip code level and the relative risk profile. How far along, where are they in their DMARC journey? And it's color-coded for risk, and you can click in. You can understand that risk profile, the name of the company. You can then move that information straight into your CRM and manage it through the Touchpoint interface. So it's a new capability with this geolocation view, map-based view of the companies, of the prospective customers in your market.
That's really interesting. So you're finding the ones with the most risk, and then you are providing that information to the MSP and even allowing them to import it into their CRM. I think that's highly valuable.
Through the click of a button, right? And so again, back to the easy part of our value proposition, we want to make discovery very simple and very easy. So yes, a map, color-coded buttons, you can kind of toggle in, click through. You can filter by industry if there's a certain industry sector you want to focus on.
Okay.
You can filter by risk.
Vertical.
Right, exactly. So many different ways to consume the data, but ultimately, yes, you see a company that, hey, this was in my very specific zip code. I want to talk to them. Click a button. That data flows right into your CRM. It's enriched with contact information in Touchpoint, and then you can act upon that in a very easy way.
Now, I would think that you might see some objections out there that this is a little too big brother-ish. But I'm sure you guys have already thought about that question and already have an answer for it.
The simple answer is this is all public domain information, and so there that bridge has already been crossed, and so now we are, our desire is to help eradicate the world from socially engineered attacks and phishing attacks, and so by exposing this information and making it easier for service providers like MSPs to help the local businesses, that's really the frame with which we are approaching this.
Yeah, I think the point is that everybody needs to look at here. This is not creepy because this is information that the threat actors already have access to.
That's correct.
And if the threat actors have access to it, why not put it in the hands of somebody who could actually help you with it?
Who can beat the threat actor to the punch.
Right.
That's
exactly.
correct.
Awesome. So anything else new going on at EasyDMARC these days?
We have a lot going on. So we also introduced another capability around deliverability. Just last week is when the formal rollout was. So it's called Easy Sender. You get that easy in the naming structure that you see. But think of DMARC as your compliance capability for your email infrastructure and domain sending infrastructure, with Easy Sender being the performance part of it. All from a technical perspective. Again, we are approaching this from a technical domain management perspective, not a marketing technology perspective, but from a sending domain perspective. Email is still core infrastructure. Despite it being a 45-year-old technology, it's still core infrastructure. So now we're pairing the compliance, DMARC, with the performance on Easy Sender. This capability we formally rolled out last week. It's another offering. We are now taking that Easy Sender capability and making it very relevant and available for the MSP community. More to follow on that, but I at least wanted to put headlights on Easy Sender as our next big capability.
That sounds great. So if anybody wants to find out more, how did they do that?
Call Mike. No, but seriously, EasyDMARC.com. You can interact with us live. We can get a demo set up very quickly. You can sign up for a free trial. If you go to EasyDMARC.com, you can check out Touchpoint as one of the products. That's that lead generation effectively capability to help you monetize DMARC as an MSP. So start with our website. We can set up a live discussion. We can get you set up very quickly. We also didn't talk about the pricing. Very affordable. It's $10 per sending domain with a $10 minimum. It's a $100 per month minimum as an MSP to get set up. So we want to make this very accessible to all.
And that's very minimal. Anybody who's really doing this on a serious basis, that should not be a problem.
It's a low barrier to entry, yes.
Armen, thank you so much for being here today.
Appreciate the time.
I really, it's been a thrill to see EasyDMARC grow over the last few years.
Well, you guys have been great partners, and we appreciate the partnership. So thanks so much.
Thank you.
Podcast.